Hi, second grade friends. Welcome to lesson number 6. Today, you are going to need some sort of drum type object. So I've got my real hand drum here, and if you have a hand drum at home, great. If not, find a bowl or a pot or a box or a Tupperware container or even a book will work. Something that you can hold in one hand and play with the other hand. Okay, so we're going to need that a little bit later on. I want you to go grab it for me right now, though. So pause the video, go get it, and then meet me right back here. Go. And you're back. Thanks. Take your object, put it off to the side. We will need it in just a minute. First, I want to start with some body percussion. So if you remember, an X in body percussion was a clap. Oh, I got 2 claps. And then a star was snap. And if you can't snap, it's okay. Just do an air snap to pretend. And the underlined was a pat. And then we had stomps, 4 of them. So let's see, we would go stomp, 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 stomp. Now when you're stomping, make sure it's not super loud, but it's nice and gentle stomping, kind of like a dance stomp is what I'd like to call it. So let's play that again together. Ready? Go. Okay. Gosh, that feels familiar. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Can you try that on your own? I'll just play a little beat for you. So ready, set, and here you go. I'm going to do it with you this time, so everybody stand up. I hope you were standing, but I'll stand up this time too. Okay, here we go. Notice how I walked back and forth with my feet there. Try it once more. Gosh, that's so familiar. What is it? Did you guess it yet? Yeah. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. And thank you for doing that on Seesaw last week. I really enjoyed watching you do that. So let's say the words as we do it together. Ready, set, here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. Challenge time. Let's try it a little bit faster. Ready, set, and here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. I bet you can't do it even faster. Ready, set, and here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to shy low. Woo! Oh man, that was fast. Oh, that was so fun. Okay, friends, now you're going to need your object that you used for a drum. So get that and hold on. I want to do some things with hand drums today. So like I said, you need some sort of thing that you can use as a hand drum. It could be, if you have a drum, great. If you have like a little Tupperware container, that can be a great drum. Or an Amazon box, those are super cool drums. Or a book, anything that you've got laying around that you could use as a drum. Pots are really, really good. Big bowls are really, really good. Any of those things are fine, but you have to be able to hold it in one hand. Okay, that's the only requirement. So let's do a little bit of exploring with our drum. Okay, I'm going to use a real drum. You use whatever you've got on hand, and we're just going to explore a little bit. So we're listening for the different sounds that our drums can make. And yours may not sound exactly like mine, and that's so cool because we can have different sounds with the different things that we're playing. you down here so you can see what I'm doing down here on the floor. Back up a little bit too. There's lots of different ways that you can play the drum, and it doesn't have to be just like this. It can be all different kinds of creative ways. I'm going to show you a picture, and your job is to figure out how to play your drum the way the picture shows you. Okay? I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to show you the picture. You have to figure out how you're going to play it. Here we go. First picture is this. Go ahead and try something. Figure something out. Think about the texture of the picture. They're kind of far apart, those little dots. What about this idea? What would that be like? If you played that on your drum. Oh, that's a cool idea. Do you think you'd use that, or do you think you'd use something else? It's really soft on a book. You can also explore around with the speed of things. Maybe you want to try it really slow, or you want to try it super fast. Here's another idea. How are you going to do that one? Very interesting. Could you do it with just one finger? What about this idea? You're so creative. I love that. So there's all 4 of my ideas. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to point to one of the ideas, and I want you to perform that with your drum that you're using at home. So I'm going to start with this one right here. Oh my gosh, my dot is the same as those dots. How funny. So start with this one. Now play that one. Back to this one. How did you know to stop? When the red dot went away. Good thinking. All right, friends, so here's what I want you to do on Seesaw this time. I would like you to show me what you're using for your hand drum and play each of those ideas for me, because I want to hear what it sounds like on your instrument, because I think it's going to sound way different than it does on my drum, and it might be really, really cool, and it might be something I use next lesson. All right, so show me what you got on your hand drum on Seesaw, and, whoops, that's not you. I will see you guys again another week. Thanks for sharing your time with me today. I hope that you are well, and I hope that you are having a musical, awesome day. Bye, everyone.